So, this is one of the blessing, talaga malaking blessing para sa amin ni Travis. Ni Travis. Kailan din kami naglilipat, kailan ba daw kami mag-move. Hey guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. And kumakain kami ngayon ng Panda Express ni Travis. Galing kami ng Home Depot kanina, no? Pumili kami ng moving box. Tapos ng tote. Kasama namin si Kinsey kanina. So, we're just gonna update you guys. Anong update sa bahay? Anong update sa bahay, babe?
So, we'll get a notification on Monday for our closing. We'll redo our closing date. Prior to us signing all the papers, we'll do an official walkthrough. So basically, whatever we had the seller fix or get looked at by a professional, we make sure that it was fixed or looked at by a professional with the documentation, and then we go and make sure all the fixes are to our standard, essentially. And then once we close, we get the keys, and we're good to go.
Probably next week, right? You said next
it will
week.
Be next week.
It will be next week. So, yung closing is baka next week daw, ano. And siguro mag-move kami kasi alis pa kami dito sa apartment, 'di ba? We need to live here in the apartment kasi may lease kami dito, lease agreement dito sa apartment. So, ayun, kailangan muna naming paalalahanan sila na alis kami, ganun. Tapos, bago kami lumipat sa bahay. This is gonna be our first house together. Super excited kami. And there's a lot of blessings ngayong happen this July, no? So, this is one of the blessing, talaga malaking blessing para sa amin ni Travis. Ni Travis, no? So, yun. Kaya, we're happy to share it with you guys. And, we want to update you kasi marami ding nag-a-ask kung kailan din kami naglilipat, kailan ba daw kami mag-move dun sa bagong bahay. Because they saw the kitchen. I put the picture. It's really nice. So, nagustuhan ko dun sa bahay, nung unang punta namin is yung kitchen, super bright ng ano niya. Yung parang pagpasok mo, when you get in the house, so you will see the kitchen. Ang ganda talaga ng kulay niya, parang medyo may pagka-aesthetic.
Yeah, it's nice. White is a good color for a kitchen. Yeah,
tapos meron siyang sunroom, and it has a big and front backyard.
Pretty nice front yard. In a pretty big backyard.
Kaya nagustuhan namin siya, it has a big backyard and front yard for Kinsley because, you know, we live in an apartment and Kinsley, you know, because Kinsley is a, you know, mountain dog. She loves to run. She loves to run. I mean, not really run every day because she's lazy.
Now when she poops, she can run off leash and then she'll like go crazy.
Yeah, but we still have to take her get her poop.
We'll still clean the yard, yeah.
We'll still have to clean even though, yeah. So, yeah, it's not too far from here, the new house that we're gonna buy, and we're really happy kasi yun, parang panibagong simula. And kasi I think 1 year kami ditong, how long you been living here in this apartment and complex in this?
Since 2022
din. So 2 years na. Kasi nauna si Travis pagdating ko dito 2023, 1 year na siya noon. Tapos dito kami tumira ng 1 year kasi dito rin kami, sa Michigan kami kinasal. So, pagdating ko ng 2023, magto 2 years na din. So, 2 years na. 1 year ako nakatira dito, and then 2 years si Travis kasi nauna siya dito. So, 2023 kasi ako dumating. So, babalitaan namin kayo guys kung anong mangyayari sa next na update namin. Pero, next time, mag house tour. Alam, parang may tinga ako, baby.
Empty house tour.
May tinga nga. Diyan siya na.
Huh?
I have a thing.
You go to the gym after this?
Huh?
What you doing?
It's mine. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Vlog.
And back.
Say hi na.
Say hi
Ayusin
na.
mo like introduction.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Jess's vlog.
No. Purple.
Bye, bye.
You better stop that.
What? I'm just good at it.
No?
Oh yeah. I'm very good at it. You're just jealous.
Babe, look at your medyas. What the?
What?
Look at your socks, butas. It has a hole in it.
Yeah, you won't buy me new ones.
You have a lot of socks.
Well, I need some more.
No?
Come here.
What? Oh, she knows how to open the
Hi.
door. Hi, Kindly. Hi, pretty girl.
Baby.
Hi. Hi, baby ko. Hi, baby ko. Hi, Kinsley. Hi. Galit na galit siya kanina. Inis na inis siya kasi ginamit namin yung nose leash niya. Diba? But she did good, babe, right?
Yeah, she did good. Kisses.
Good girl. Good girl.
Yeah.
Kinsey, look at mommy. Kinsey, hey. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Kinsey. Hey, Kinsey. Hey, Kinsey. Shh. Kinsey. Umuulan ngayon, guys. Yeah, sa'yo, girl. Dali, ano yung ulit?
Good girl. Good girl. You're my good girl.
Grabe ah. Grabe yun ah. Ang dami mo. Pasaway. Oh, look at your daddy. Daddy's muscle. Oh, hi, baby ko. Hi. You looking at mommy? Oh, you wanna kiss mommy? Oh my goodness, you're so cute there. Kinsley. Kinsley. Matutulog ako, guys. And mamaya pupunta kami ng gym. Tapos, i-edit ni Travis yung video niya. I-upload niya mamaya, no? So, ayun lang yung vlog natin. Quick vlog natin ngayon, no? For today's video. Update lang, no? Kung anong update dun sa bahay na tutuluyan namin. So, yun. Ayun lang yung vlog natin for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye! Say bye-bye.